My friend told me that the first domestically produced aircraft in the People's Republic of China was made right here in Nanjing.
Hey, I'm Crystal. Today we are going to see some planes. Let's go.
Hi, welcome to our low altitude economy exhibition center. We have various of innovative aircraft here. Can you recognize any of them?
Whoa, actually I know nothing about it, but I can't wait to learn more.
Same here.
It's okay, let me introduce you our product. First, here we have our vertical takeoff and landing drones, and you can see it's fixed wings.
In which kind of situation do we use this plane?
We use it for conservation drones inspection, and it's perfect for long endurance and range inspections.
Oh.
Okay, this way is our formation flight.
What is that yellow thing over here?
It's called firework.
A firework.
Yes.
In which event do you use those kind of drones?
We use it for firework show. This year we use it for Spring Festival firework show.
Spring Festival firework.
2,600 drones to form 7 different patterns.
Oh, amazing!
Yes. We used to break the Guinness World Record for the largest number of drones flying in formation simultaneously and showcased breathtaking drone performance at major events such as the Spring Festival Gala.
Oh, Spring Festival!